the hotel owner who taught me. Clean and fragrant bathroom. First, in a container, we will add 500 milliliters of detergent. Do not worry about the amount. This mixture yields a lot, and you will be able to use for a long time. Next, I will add 150 milliliters of disinfectant. You can put the aroma of your preference. You will give the fragrant smell that your bathroom needs. This tip is very easy and practical to do, and has a surprising aroma done this. I will squeeze half lime into the mixture then. We will also add a tablespoon of baking soda and mix. The decreasing action of it is what will help to remove the dirt. As soon as you start using this tip, you will never have problems with cleaning your bathroom. Finally, I will add some colorant to improve the color, and then mix one last time. But this part is optional. The best is that you can use the color you prefer. Now, I will pass the mixture to a bottle, becoming easier to apply the product, also avoiding waste. To move to the bottle, I will use a funnel. It helps a lot when passing the liquid. For sure, you will love this mixture. I myself use in all items of my bathroom, and even in the kitchen. Then just cut the bottle, and our product is ready for use. For application, I put the product directly in the place that I will clean. The amount of use is at your discretion. Only a small amount is enough. This product yields a lot. And before I forget, tell me which city you watched, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Archie Akbet from Nigeria. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. After I started using this mixture, the cleaning in my house became more practical and simple, only with the consistency of the product. Can we already notice the difference from conventional products? The best of this recipe, besides the incredible result that it brings in cleaning your home and the high income, because if you use with consciousness, lasts up to 2 months, is the economy that generates why you will not have to spend more money buying various cleaning products, because this is perfect for any location, and also the speed with which it cleans, and the ease of use. Because of all this, this tip has become routine here at home. I'm sure it will become routine in your home too. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it, and tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.